Ang pinaka-hot topic talaga ngayon is the scandal. Yes, you've mentioned kanina na the corruption, the market sentiments, and the confidence is bumababa na. Does it really ends here? Like, pag po ba, let's say, na-resolve, kasi ang daming mga Pilipino, ang hinintay, may makulong eh. And pag may makulong, there will be an impact and change, not only in investment, but also with our market. Does it end there po, Boss Rex?
I don't think it ends there. I think it will lead to a lot of changes and reforms. And ganoon naman tayo always as a country and as a people. Kailangan may mangyari. At pag may nangyari, maglilinis tayo. So, we're very reactive, no? Rather than proactive. But, again, if it has to happen because there was a catalyst for making it happen, so be it. The important thing is how we get to respond. And I guess we're seeing that now, di ba? Nire-revisit nila yung budget process. I think sa ngayon, yung ating tinatawag na the congressional budget process is now being made robust by a lot of people who now want to correct it, who now want to establish control measures. So ako, lahat yan, plus yan. But, ang masakit dito yung tinatawag na adjustment process. Kasi, habang nag-a-adjust tayo, babagal lahat yan. I will tell you, it will slow down. And if it really slows down, it will, basically impact the growth that we're going to have in the next year. So, kaya nga marami tayong nakakausap na analysts, ang tingin nila sa 2026, a tale of two halves. Yung first half, siguradong mabagal yan, and because maganda ang growth ng first half of 2025, the first half of 2026 will be a challenging one. However, yung second half, by that time, umaandar na uli yung gears of growth, medyo tapos na yung adjustment period, so yung next half, sigurado will be a robust one, will be an active one, and hopefully, makabawi tayo. Most of the studies, most of the forecasts that I've seen, puts the PSEI at about 7.5 next year. So that's substantial growth from where we are today. So good money to be made there if you just position yourself correctly.